Now, in our final video of Module 6, her to I want to show you some little normal expressions with prepositions and conjunctions, basic little ideas for conversation and speaking to show you how, not just with verbs, but in longer sentences, how her changes to Let's go. This is a basic list of little expressions, right? To do something for her, to agree with her, to go with her, to work with her, to complain about her, to talk about her, and to look at her. I only want to show with some examples what happens when we speak quickly and the her becomes an So the first example, and we have seen this in the course, is about the for strong pronunciation and the f weak pronunciation when we speak quickly, f. So to do something for her, to do something for her, to do something for her. All right, it's very subtle. To do something for her, not always for her, but when we speak very quickly. He is not going to do it for her. He's not going to do it for her. And he's not going to do it for her. So for her, for her. He's not going to do it for her. To agree with her, agree with her. Go or come with her, go with her. Listen and repeat. Pauses and repeat. Agree with her, go with her, and work with her. To work with her, work with her. I just do not agree with her. I just don't agree with her. And I just don't agree with her. I just don't agree with her. I just don't agree with her. She needs you to go with her. She needs you to go with her. She needs you to go with her. So she needs you to go with her. She needs you to go. She needs you to go with her. She needs you to go with her. She needs you to go with her. I did not work with her for a long time. I didn't work with her for a long time. I didn't work with her for a long time. I didn't work with her for a long time. And I didn't work with her for a long time. Didn't work with her for a long time. To complain about her and to talk about her. So about her. That normally it's with her, for her, but the T in about, it connects with the So to complain about her. About her. To talk about her. He is always complaining about her. He's always complaining about her. About her. He's always complaining about her. Complaining about her. Right? So the G in complaining, complaining about her. Everybody is always talking about her. Everybody's always talking about her. Everybody's always talking about her. Always talking about her. Everybody's always talking about her. Talking about her. Talking about her. And finally, to look at her. The verb look always takes the preposition at. To look at her. So again, it's the look at her, looking at her, right? So it's not always look at her, but look at her, look at her. Do not look at her like that. don't look at her like that. And then don't look at her. Don't look at her like that. So don't look at her like that. Don't look at her like that. Don't look at her like that. Why is he looking at her? Why is he looking at her? And why is he looking at her? Why is he looking at her? Right? So why is he looking at her? Why is he looking at her? Why is he looking at her? So this brings us to the end of module 6. I hope you enjoyed it. We are going to continue in the next module talking about the word him and im and the change in the sound, and continuing with the same idea, same verbs, but now all the verbs in the past to really master in your intermediate English and all the pronunciation. See you there.